Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. When you wish to make money online, you may be thinking of it because you want to get paid well. It can also just be something you want to do to help you get a few extra bills paid. Whatever the case may be, this video can guide you through this. To make money online, you must first determine which niche you can fit into. Do you have good writing skills? You can sell your videos online or freelance for companies who want you to write for them. Is graphic design your thing? Do graphic design for other companies online. Introspection can help with this. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Getting paid money to work online isn't the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is possible. If this is something you wish to work with, then the tips presented above should have helped you. Take some time, do things the right way, and then you can succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.